What? R.I.P. to the freaking bubble.
Driver, check your seatbelt, shoulder harnesses, helmet straps, this time. Make sure everything is secure and tight. Again, stay inside the out-of-bounds line. Watch the driver's door hits. I'm going to count down everyone. 10 to the
Come on, Jay!
Let's hear it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go! Come on, Jay! Oh, you fucker!
Everyone stop.
What the fuck? Oh, I'm sorry.
Merely
I feel like a bad person.
driver, one of the drivers did not have it secured.
He was doing so good.
There's 20 people on this.
Alright, drivers, again, seatbelts, helmets secured. With a short countdown, everyone, 5 Gilbert, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
god, I can't even video camera.
Carter 15. Heading down this way, Carter 16. Your far right, still in with Carter 17. Down to about 6 cars, it looks like right now, instead of moving. Looking for 2 winners, courtesy of Earthquake Systems.
Hi.
1822.
He's so close.
And Fox.
Oh god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Woo! He's so close, he's so close, he's so close, he's so close. I can't video camera, I'm too excited.
46.
He's so close. He really is. So close. Woo! Oh my god, Jason! Mercy! Come on, Jason! No! Third Oh my god, I'm so excited!
Little fire burning down. Seatbelt secure, short countdown, 5.
Bradley, were you video camera? I can't see anymore. Let's go, Jason! Let's go, brother! That's my brother!
Oh my god, I know, but it has to be better now.
Looking for those last 2.
Let's go, Jason!
I love how it calls
46, 78, 17, all making contact. 17, try to spread it out a little bit more if you can.
I love it. I love it. It's fucking all
Trying to get it out of there.
You can back up.
Let's go, 17, Jason!
Contact.
Little guy, too. Yeah, come on,
46 now making contact. Come on, 17, back it up. 17 now making a hit.
back it up, Jason. You know you can. Come on, Jason!
He won! You won, Jason! You won!
Those two drivers up on stage at this time.
I don't want that. Shut up, he's out of his car, he can hear it.
40. We'll try to get police to tow you guys out as soon as possible. Dave, if you would. Dave, if they could, so they can get ready for the feature. 17:46:78. Alright, winners. Number 17, Jason Sturm.
That's my brother!
Our third winner, 78, Sydney Roosevelt from Tidmouth, getting the free ride to the feature at trophies courtesy of Earthwave Systems, ABC 22 and Fox 44. Again, the feature event is coming up next. We're going to get the three winners' cars off the racetrack as soon as possible.
Look at Jason run!
These cars get them before the feature.
Okay, something?
No, he's got one more. I think he has the final one.